Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to our continuation of our yesterday's mathematics class. Yesterday we discussed and introduced the topic of relations. Of course, the chapter name is Relations and Functions. The topic contains mainly, roughly speaking, three subtopics, which are Cartesian product, relation, and function. Function is a very important thing and going to be used at multiple places in this syllabus, 11th syllabus, and even in 12th syllabus also. So, to understand function, we need to understand relation, and before that it was important to understand the notion of Cartesian product. We discussed Cartesian product of any two sets is denoted by, say, A and B. The sets are A and B, maybe finite, maybe infinite, right. A cross B, what is the definition? A cross B, we must remember the definition. A cross B, the Cartesian product of two sets A and B, is defined as, it is collection of ordered pairs A comma B, where small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. And we saw one example also, right, just revision of yesterday's class. Say A is, let A is 1, 2, and say B is A, B, C. Then A cross B, if you find, it will become, we have to take all possible combinations of elements of set A with set B and to write them in a manner of ordered pair in, this thing, this parenthesis A comma B is called as ordered pair, and here the first element comes from this first set and the second element small b comes from the second set capital B. So, if you take all possible combinations 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 1 comma C, and 2 comma A, 2 comma B, and 2 comma C, you will get, right. How many ordered pairs are there in total? Right, many people are saying, present sir, you all are welcome, I am happy to see you all. Let me see a proper quality. Yeah, good, right. I hope today you people are receiving a good quality audio and video. Right, 6, right, Amika Shringi, 6 total ordered pairs are there, and we saw there is a theorem that number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in A multiplied with number of elements in B, right, also known as cardinality of set A, right, cardinality. Okay. So, this was about Cartesian product. Then we discussed the definition of relation. Can someone write in live chat before I write the things on board, that what is a relation from A to B? We discussed yesterday. Koi jawab? Let me see. No. Okay, no issue. Relation from A to B. To define a relation, first of all, question number 7 I will take, sure. Subset of A cross B, Piyush Chaurasia has written, very nice. To define a relation, I need to have two sets A and B, say. Okay. Then what you do? You find out A cross B. Then a relation, say its name is capital R. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B, is a subset of A cross B, right. Notation wise it can be written like this, R is a subset of A cross B, right. The smallest subset, whatever its subset is there of A cross B, that will be some relation from A to B. The smallest possible subset of A cross B is phi. Edwin Joseph, you are written correct. Yes. The smallest subset of A cross B is phi, that also is a relation from A to B called as null relation, and the biggest subset of A cross B is A cross B itself, and that is called as universal relation from A to B. Okay, fine. Now, this was the quick revision of yesterday's class. Now, and also we discussed in the yesterday's class exercise NCERT exercise 2.1. One suggestion is there that somebody was requesting to discuss question 7th. Have a look on question 7th. The other questions which I left for you were very easy. If still you feel doubt, please write in live chat, we will take in discussion, and after that we will move on to exercise 2.2. So, before that let me take question number 7, which someone has requested to discuss. Have a look please on question number 7th in NCERT book. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah. Okay. This question says, let capital A is 1 comma 2, B is 1 comma 2, comma 3 comma 4. Let capital A is 1 comma 2 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, good. And C is 5 comma 6. Let me write here 5 comma 6, and D is 5, 6, 7, 8, is it? Okay. Right. Verify that first part is A cross, you have to verify students, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. This I have to verify. Students, verify means that set A and set B particular values are given, and second part is that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Let us see how to do. Verify means that for the particular set A, B, C and D, you check whether the first part is correct or not. So, let us find out left hand side value and right hand side value, and let us match them whether they are equal or not. So, have a look and find question of the left hand side of this first part, left hand side, and this is A cross B intersection C. Okay. So, it will become A means whatever A is given 1 comma 2 cross B union C, let us find and write directly. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, C is 5 comma 6. So, B intersection C should be null set, isn't 5, because B and C nothing is common. Nice. This is finally 5, and then find out RHS. RHS is A cross B intersection A cross C, and let us find out A cross B. A cross B will be 2 into 4, total 8 ordered pairs to be written, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, and 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. This is A cross B intersection A cross C. This is A 1 comma 2 and this is C 5 comma 6. So, this will be 1 5 1 6 and 2 5 2 6. Now, check what is the intersection of these two. Intersection, can you see the symbol? Intersection of these two. Intersection means common element. So, is there any common ordered pair? See, the second element of this second set contains either 5 or 6, but in no ordered pair of first set either 5 or 6 is there. I don't think anything is common. No, yeah, right. There is no common 5. Both are equal, hence verified. So first part is verified. Second part is also simple. Second part, they are asking to check whether A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Is this or anything else? Let me check. Yeah. The second part is A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Yeah. So find out A cross C. A cross C you find and B cross D you find, and subset means that all the elements of A cross C should be present in B cross D. I hope it should come. I am leaving for you people. Right? Okay, students. I hope it should come. Is there any more doubtful question in exercise 2.1? If at all any doubtful question is there, please write in live chat. We will discuss. Now, all the students, let us see exercise 2.2, which is based on the topic relation. Right? The first one was based on Cartesian product, and 2.2 is based on relation. So, let us all get ready and let us try to solve. Here also questions are simple, definition based. Right. One more thing, that those questions of 2.1 which I have left for you must be solved in the notebook. Right. I have left for you because I feel that they are easy. In case they are you feel any difficulty, please let me know, and we shall certainly discuss those all doubtful questions. Right. And we will make a rule that NCERT exercise, whatever question it contains, all the questions we will solve in notebook compulsorily. So, let us begin 2.2. The first question says that set A is 1, 2, 3 up to 14, okay, and there is a relation we have to define R, which is from A to A and given by x comma y such that, and R is from A to A, means R is a subset of A cross A, and is defined as x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. So, I am asking that this form which is written is called as which form? Anyone write the answer? What is the name of this form? And the question is actually that I have to find its domain and codomain and range. So, we will find, but if you can write the name of this form, I have to find its domain and codomain and range. Set builder form, very nice students. This is called as set builder form. So, set builder form it is. Can I write the other form, roster form? Roster form means I have to write all its elements, right? Set builder form. Let us write its roster form. I am writing, you just check and tell me that I have written correct or not. My capital A set is having 14 elements. So, I am going to find out A cross A, means all possible combinations of these elements with itself, right? I have imagined, and then from those ordered pairs I am going to pick those ordered pairs which satisfy this equation. This equation means y equal to 3x, means the second element is 3 times of the first element. So, suppose the first element is 1, then the second element will be 1 into 3, 3, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 3 into 3 is 9, okay. 4 comma 4 into 3 is 12, 5 comma 5 into 3 is 15, 6 comma 6 into 3 18. No, is it right? Satyanarayan Berwa. 4 comma 12, 5 15 6 18. No, this will come or not? No, my set contains the elements only up to 14, up to 4 comma 12 only. You are right, Kuldeep Savankar, you have written correct, because x comma y both should belong to capital A. Y has to belong capital A, the second set. You cannot take y outside capital A. So, if I write 5 comma 15, 15 is not there. So, it is wrong. I should close the braces here. That is it. Okay. So, this is my capital R. This is my capital R. Now, now I have to write its domain. Domain means the set of first elements. First elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. I should write codomain. Codomain is this wala set, whatever, and I should write range. Range means the second elements. Second elements are 3, 6, 9, 12. Isn't it? Correct? Right, right, students. I hope this is complete. Domain is the set of first elements, and range is the set of the second elements when we write roster form. Roster form is all the elements. तो पहले मुझे all the elements लिखना था, फिर मैंने first elements pick कर लिया, वो हो गया domain, और second elements pick कर लिया, वो हो गया range. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2 says that define a relation R on the set of naturals which is given by x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5. So, R is defined on the set of naturals, means from naturals to naturals. R is a subset of n cross n, and R is a collection of x comma y ordered pairs such that y is equal to x plus 5, right, and it is written that both x and y are natural numbers, but x is less than 4. Just check whether it is strictly less than 4 or less or equal to 4. No, it's strictly less than 4. Then they are asking depict the relationship using roster form. Again they are asking us roster form. So, let us find out its roster form. Roster form means, I will write and just you tell me whether it is right or not. Y equal to x plus 5, second element is 5 more than first element, and elements are natural numbers, and first element should be natural number less than 4, means up to 3. I think first number is 1, so second number will be 1 plus 5 6, 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 5 8, and that is it, I think, because first number x should be less than 4. Less than 4 matlab up to 3, right? Okay, nice. Is it right? This is roster form. This is roster form. Roster form. No, you also please keep writing in your notebooks your work and match with us. Domain मुझे लिखना है इसका. Domain. First elements let us pick. Nice, and range. Range is second element, 6, 2, 3. No, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry. Check the answer is right or not, students, and tell me if somebody can check. I hope it should be right. Please see the next question, question number third. Question number third, please see, and let us try to solve this question number 3. It is define a set A is 1, 2, 3, 5 and set B is 4, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is 4, 6, 9. Okay. Then define a relation from R from A to B by the relationship condition x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. A relation R is defined as set of x comma y such that difference of x and y is odd, where x and y, x belongs to capital A and y belongs to capital B. Okay. Let us write its roster form. They are asking us to define a relation and write R in roster form. Only roster form they are asking, and not asking any domain or range. No problem. Sir, please repeat question number 1. One of the same 2.1. अभी repeat कर देता हूँ इरशाद. But let us see first this. I have to write its roster form. I should pick all possible ordered pairs from this set to this set. जो भी combination बन सकते हैं, कैसे कि numbers का जो difference हो वो odd हो, तो ठीक है. 1 comma 1 और 4 का difference 3. 1 comma 3 will, sorry, 1 comma 4 will come. 1 comma 6 will come. No. 1 comma 6 difference is 5. Yes, it will come. And 1 comma 9, 2 odds, the difference will be even. No, the difference is not odd. Leave it, 1 comma 9. Then 2 comma 4, no. 2 comma 6, no. 2 comma 9 will come. Then 3 4, yes. Then 3 6, yes. Then 3 9, 3 minus 9 is even. No, it will not come. Then 5 comma 4, yes, because the difference is odd. 5 comma 6 will come because the difference is odd, and 5 comma 9 will not come because the two odds, the difference between two odds will be even. So I feel it is right. Have a look and on the my answer and check whether it is right or not. Irshad requested that repeat question number 1. Yes, question number 1 was R equal to 3x minus y. Let me write here. First question was R equal to set of x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. This was first question, right? So this can also be written as x comma y such that y equal to 3x. Y equal to, है ना Irshad? Y equal to 3x means second element is 3 times of first element, and capital A was containing 1 2 3 up to 14. Then मैंने पहला एलिमेंट 1 ले लिया और इसके सेकेंड पोजीशन पे y इक्वल टू 3x, 3 टाइम्स फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. तो 3 इंटू 1 कितना हुआ 3 टू बी रिटन. देन नेक्स्ट वाला 2 मैंने पिक कर लिया तो 2. देन 3 इंटू 2, यहाँ पे जो एलिमेंट आएगा दैट विल बी 3 टाइम्स ऑफ दिस. तो 3 इंटू 2 6. देन यहाँ पे मैंने 3 ले लिया तो 3 इंटू 3 9. देन 4 ले लिया. देन 3 इंटू 4 12. Right, isn't it? And if I take 5, then 5 into 3 next element will be 15. 15 cannot be there because 15 is not present in capital A. So I have to stop here. Right. So like this we have written the roster form in first question. This is the roster form in first question, and after that finding domain means finding first elements, collection of first elements, and similarly range, second elements, and codomain, the second set we have written, and that's it. So this is about first question. Right. रोस्टर फॉर्म मीन्स जब हम एलिमेंट इस तरह लिखते हैं गौरव, तब हम उसको बोलते हैं रोस्टर फॉर्म, है ना. सारे एलिमेंट्स जब मैं कॉमा लगा के लिखता हूँ, ये देखो कॉमा, ये देखो, ये ऑर्डर्ड पेयर एक एलिमेंट है, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं रोस्टर फॉर्म. ठीक है, ये कहलाता है रोस्टर फॉर्म जब मैं एलिमेंट्स लिखते हैं. आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं एलिमेंट्स फॉर्म, सारे एलिमेंट्स मैंने लिख दिए. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, राइट, बिकॉज दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सेट builder form. राइट कि हमने कोई कंडीशन दे दी और हमने सेट डिफाइन कर दिया, उसको हम बोलते हैं सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. राइट स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ have a look on the next question, question number 4th. Please see 4th question. Please see in your textbooks and let us try to find the answer of 4th question. Question number 4th says that this figure shows a relationship. This is a set given P and this is another set given Q, and P contains 5, 6, 7 and Q contains 3, 4, 5. Okay, and with these arrows the relation is defined. Okay. They are asking that write this relation in set builder form and in roster form and domain and range. So, first of all, set builder form. Set builder form I have to write roster form, I have to write its domain and range. Let us write all. In any sequence we can do it. Domain means set of first elements, isn't it? Domain means set of, right. Domain means set of first element 5, 6, 7. Within braces we have to write. Range means the image points, है ना, जो arrow का end point जिन elements पे fall हो रहा है वो है elements range बनाएंगे, right. They will be the member of the set and that set will be called as range. So, let us write the image points, है ना. Then roster form I have to write. Roster form means you write the relation and write its all ordered pairs that it contains. Ordered pairs, how you will form? Ordered pairs means 5, 3 like this, yeah, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Okay, right. And now I have to write set builder form. The set builder form means I have to write in words some definition I should write, which is a common relation in these ordered pairs. So, if I see 5 and 3 difference, the second one is first minus 2. Shall I write? Okay. Y is equal to x minus 2, but I should put a restriction on x, where x is a natural number between 5 and 7. X belongs to naturals and x is less or equal to 7, more or equal to 5. I think this should work. There may be some other ways also of defining it. Yes, yes. There may be some other way also of defining. Finally, we should get the same roster form by that set builder form, then that answer will be correct. So, this is simple only, nothing difficult. Let us move ahead and see question number 6th, that define the domain, find out the domain and range for the relation given by x comma x plus 5, where 6th question, 6th or 5th, sorry 5th question. A is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6. R is a relation that A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5 is not there. Then R is a relation of A comma B such that B is exactly divisible by A, that both are the members of capital A and B is divisible, exactly divisible means divisible by A, right. Let me clear the unnecessary part, unnecessary things. Okay, this is the question, and I have to write R in roster form. Let me see what students are responding. Yeah, people have written the answer. Very nice. Very nice. Roster form B, second element is divisible by first element, means 1 comma 1 will come, 1 comma 2 will come. The second element should be divisible by first element. तो 1 से तो हर कोई divisible होगा, तो 1 तो सभी के साथ आ जाएगा, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. Nice. 2 comma 2, right? 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6, right? Because 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2. You know, that's what they have said, that second element should be divisible by first element, right? 2 का भी हो गया. Now first place पे मैं 3 को ले लेता हूँ, तो 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4 will not come, 3 comma 6 will come, and 4 comma 4 will come, and 6 comma 6 will come. So I have just written, I have changed first element, and then I have taken the elements in second row. Then again I changed and brought in next row. So like this, so that I should not get confused. Okay. I have written the roster form. Then what the next thing is? The next thing is they are asking to find its domain and range. Of course, the domain will be first elements collection. There is no doubt about it. And first elements, if I pick, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And range will be a set of these second elements, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 all will come. If they are repeating, then we have to, it is sufficient to write them one time. So second elements, if I pick, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Right, students? Okay. So this is, now let us move ahead. Right, very nice. Many people have written the answer. Now let us move ahead and see question number 6. 6 is x comma x plus 5 type elements are there in R. Let me write here itself. R is x comma x plus 5 kind of elements, where x is what? X comes from the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So they are asking to write R in, they are asking domain and range. So to find domain and range, it will be easy if I write roster form. तो मैं roster form सबसे पहले लिखता हूँ. Roster form means I have to write all its elements. तो first element is x, means 0. Suppose I have taken, then next element will be 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 means 5. Then first place पे मैंने 1 ले लिया, 1 plus 5 6, then 2 7, then 3 plus 5 8, then 4 9, 5 10. Correct? Unlike the previous question, in this question I can take 9 on second place, 10 on second place, because in the question there was no mention that second element should come from the same set. No, it was not mentioned, right? So not mentioned means allowed. So this is the roster form. Now let us write its domain. Domain will be first element if you take, and this will become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and range is the set of second elements, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, students? Right. So many people have written the correct answer, and I am thankful to you people that you have checked it is right. Seventh question, x comma x cube, is it x cube? X cube, where x is a prime number less than 10. Seventh question, R is containing the ordered pairs of type x comma x cube, where x is prime less than 10. तो चलो भाई देखते हैं इसका भी रोस्टर फॉर्म. I hope that you know what are primes less than 10. आप कहेंगे ये भी नहीं पता होगा तो फिर जीना बेकार है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? ठीक है, प्राइम्स लेस देन 10. चलो अभी किसी ने नहीं लिखा, मैं लिखता हूँ. पहला प्राइम नंबर 2, 2 कॉमा 2 क्यूब 8, 3 कॉमा, मैं अपना आंसर लिख रहा हूँ, आप चेक करके बताना ये राइट है कि नहीं. मैं अभी आपके आंसर्स नहीं देख रहा हूँ. 2 कॉमा 8, 3 कॉमा 3 क्यूब 27, 5 कॉमा 1 2 5, 7 कॉमा 7 इंटू 7 49 इंटू 7, 3 4 3, 3 4 3, देन 7 के बाद प्राइम सीधे 11 है. दैट्स इट. चेक राइट और नॉट. तो हाउ मेनी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स? कुलदीप शाकिवाली 1 2 3 4 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स. 1 2 3 4 राइट आंसर. चेक. आई थिंक इट इज राइट. यस सुमित परिधि, माय आंसर इज राइट और नॉट? हाँ चेक समबडी राइट. माय आंसर इज राइट और नॉट? नहीं, मुझे अपने ऊपर विश्वास नहीं है. नॉट बिकॉज लेस देन 10. Gauravi Gupta is saying कि no, my answer is not right because less than 10. ना उन्होंने नहीं कहा कि सेकेंड एलिमेंट. गौरवी उन्होंने नहीं कहा कि वो, हाँ उन्होंने नहीं कहा कि वो सेकेंड एलिमेंट भी लेस देन 10 हो. कहीं लिखा है? नहीं लिखा. तो नहीं लिखा तो हम क्यों माने? हम उसको मान के चल रहे हैं कि अलाउड है ना. सिर्फ रिस्ट्रिक्शन इन्होंने जो पुट की है वो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट पे पुट की है ना. ओके, तो इसमें कोई शक की गुंजाइश नहीं है. ठीक है, नाइस. द नेक्स्ट वन, हैव अ लुक ऑन क्वेश्चन 8th. प्लीज, there set A is given, set B is given, and they are asking us to find the number of relations from A to B. Nice question, conceptual question, totally conceptual. Let A is x, y, z and B is 1, 2. Let A is x, y, z. I hope that you people must be knowing the answer. Write the answer and then I will check whether your answer is right or not. They are asking us to find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relations from A to B. Students, write your answer and let me see your answers, what you are writing. People have written 8, 9. 2 raised to power 6. Tanmay Meena is saying. Vishesh is saying 6. Satyanarayan Berwa is saying 2 into 6. 2 into 6. And Edwin is saying 64. Multiple people, multiple answers. Let us see what is the right answer. You must know that relation is what? Relation R is what? Subset of A cross B. So I have to find actually how many subsets of A cross B are there. You know, there is a theorem that if a set contains n elements, then its power set, means set of all of its subsets, will contain 2 raised to power n elements. है ना? Correct. So 2 raised to power n elements means I should find A cross B में कितने एलिमेंट होंगे. A cross B में यहाँ पर होंगे मेरे पास A में है 3 और B में है 2, तो 3 into 2 बोले तो 6 एलिमेंट्स. किस में? A क्रॉस B में. सो नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स हो जाएंगे, नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स ऑफ A क्रॉस B विल बी, ये थ्योरम अप्लाई करा दिया, 2 raised to power 6, और नंबर ऑफ ईच सबसेट इज सम रिलेशन फ्रॉम A to B, तो दैट विल बी टोटल 2. आंसर इज राइट फाइनली, जो बहुत सारे लोगों ने लिखा है एक्सेप्ट 1 or 2. मेजॉरिटी पीपल हैव रिटन द राइट आंसर, परफेक्ट आंसर 2 raised to power 6, आई थिंक 64 ही होता है. करेक्ट? Perfect, nice, good. I have consumed lot of time. I have thought of starting the next topic, functions, also within the same class, but now it is not possible. Let me conclude this with the last question, that R be a relation on Z defined by A comma B such that A comma B belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. ninth question, that R is collection of A comma B such that A and B both belong to Z. Z means set of integers, and such that A minus B is an integer. Okay. I am not going to write its roster form. Why? Because the set Z is infinite and Z cross Z will contain infinitely many number of elements. So, I am not interested in finding its roster form. Let me imagine simply A minus B is an integer, and A and B already are integers, right. So, I take any A and any B, the difference will always be an integer, isn't it? So, what I actually my plan was there, I have to find Z cross Z, and then from there many ordered pairs are there. From there I will pick those ordered pairs which satisfy this definition, and I will declare them A cross B. So, but here all the ordered pairs will satisfy this definition, because any ordered pair you take, the difference will be integer. So, all the ordered pairs of Z cross Z are going to satisfy this definition. So, whole Z cross Z should be written, and that will be capital R. So, capital R is Z cross Z directly, and now if you want to write its domain, this is first set. If you want to write codomain, second set which is Z, and if you want to write range, range is also the entire set Z. So, domain is Z, range is Z, and I hope it is the right answer. Already many of you have written the right answer. Okay, right. So, thank you students for being with me, and we discussed this exercise 2.2. Of course, yeah, of course, good work, but because it was the introduction of the chapter, so slowly let us understand the concepts. In the next class, we will discuss a very important topic, functions, and we will discuss its concept and various examples we will take to understand that what is a function. So, be ready for the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me. Thank you.